Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? What if I told you that just $100 is all it takes to begin your journey toward financial freedom? That's right, only $100. It's a common myth that you need a huge pile of cash to get started in the stock market. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with what you might have in your wallet right now. Welcome to Smart Finance Now, where we make money simple. If you're serious about building wealth and taking control of your financial future, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we share new videos every week that help you grow your money the smart way. So why start with just $100? Is it even worth it? Absolutely. The most powerful force in finance is something called compound growth. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow and gets bigger and bigger, faster and faster. Your money works the same way. Let's look at a simple example. If you invest $100 today and then commit to adding just $20 a month, assuming an average annual return of 7%, in 5 years, you could have over $3,000. After 10 years, that could grow to over $7,500. And in 20 years, it could be more than $25,000. See? The initial amount isn't the magic ingredient. It's the habit of consistent investing and the time you give your money to grow. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building a sustainable habit that will serve you for the rest of your life. Starting small is the perfect way to learn the ropes without taking huge risks. All right, before you rush off to invest that $100, let's talk about step 1. Set your goals. Investing without a goal is like driving without a destination. You might end up somewhere, but it's probably not where you wanted to be. So ask yourself, why am I investing? Are you saving up for a down payment on a house in 10 years? That's a long-term goal. Maybe you want to fund a dream trip in 3 years? That's a medium-term goal. Or perhaps you're building a fund for emergencies or a special purchase next year, a short-term goal. Knowing your timeline is crucial because it helps determine what kind of investments are right for you. Long-term goals, like retirement, allow you to take on a bit more risk for potentially higher returns because you have time to ride out market ups and downs. Shorter-term goals, however, require safer, more stable investments. Take a moment to write down one short-term, one medium-term, and one long-term financial goal. Having this clarity will keep you motivated and focused on your journey. Now for step 2, and this one is non-negotiable. Build a safety net. Think of your finances like building a house. You wouldn't start putting up walls without a solid foundation, right? Your emergency fund is that foundation. This is cash, saved in a separate, easily accessible savings account. That's meant to cover unexpected expenses, like a car repair, a medical bill, or a sudden job loss. You should never, ever invest money that you might need in an emergency. The market goes up and down, and the last thing you want is to be forced to sell your investments at a loss because your boiler decided to break. Financial experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses. I know, that sounds like a lot, and it can take time to build up. But please start building this fund before you begin investing. Even starting with a small emergency fund is better than none at all. Protect your foundation first, then you can start building upwards. Okay, with your goals set and your safety net in progress, it's time for the exciting part. Step 3. Choose an investment platform. In the past, you needed to call a broker in a fancy suit. Today, you can do it all from your phone. There are plenty of beginner-friendly apps and platforms available, such as Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, or Public. When you're choosing one, there are a few things to look for. First, fees. Look for platforms with low or zero commission on trades and low account maintenance fees. Fees can eat away at your returns, especially when you're starting with a small amount. Second, ease of use. Is the app intuitive and easy to navigate? As a beginner, you want a platform that makes the process simple, not confusing. Third, safety. Make sure the platform is regulated by a reputable financial authority in your country. This ensures your money is protected. Do a little research, compare a few options, and read reviews from other users. Many of these platforms allow you to start with very small amounts, which is perfect for our $100 plan. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research to find the platform that best fits your needs. And if you want more beginner-friendly tips, hit that like button so YouTube knows to show this video to others like you. All right, back to business. You've got your platform, you've deposited your $100, and now you're staring at thousands of options. What do you invest in? This brings us to step 4. Diversify with ETFs. If you remember one thing from this section, let it be this. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Buying stock in a single company is risky. If that company performs poorly, your entire investment could suffer. This is where exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, come in. An ETF is like a prepackaged basket containing hundreds or even thousands of different stocks or bonds. By buying just one share of an ETF, you instantly own a tiny piece of all the companies inside that basket. This is called diversification, and it's the key to reducing risk. For example, an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 gives you exposure to the 500 largest companies in the United States. An MSCI World ETF gives you a slice of top companies from all around the globe. Because you're spread across so many companies and countries, the poor performance of one or two won't sink your entire portfolio. ETFs are also typically very low cost, making them a fantastic choice for beginners and long-term investors. You can start building a diversified portfolio with just one or two broadly diversified ETFs. It's the simplest way to start investing wisely. We're almost there. You've chosen your platform and your first ETF. Now for the final step, and perhaps the most important, Step 5. Automate and be consistent. The secret to long-term success in investing isn't about timing the market perfectly or picking the one winning stock. It's about consistency. The best strategy for most people is called dollar cost averaging. It sounds complicated, but it's incredibly simple. It just means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, say $50 every month, regardless of what the market is doing. When the market is down, your fixed amount buys more shares. When the market is up, it buys fewer shares. Over time, this strategy smooths out your purchase price and reduces the risk of investing a large sum at a market peak. Most investment platforms allow you to set up automatic, recurring investments. Set it and forget it. This takes emotion out of the equation. You won't be tempted to panic sell when the market dips or get greedy when it soars. Remember, the best investors are consistent, not perfect. Time in the market is far more important than timing the market. And here's a tip. Track your progress monthly, celebrate small wins, and don't be discouraged by short-term market ups and downs. This builds both discipline and confidence. Let's do a quick recap. Investing can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. You can start your journey today with just $100. First, set clear financial goals to know why you're investing. Second, build an emergency fund as your financial safety net. Third, choose a reputable, low-cost investment platform that works for you. Fourth, start with a diversified, low-cost ETF to reduce risk. And finally, be consistent. Automate your investments and let the power of compounding do the heavy lifting for you. You now have the 5 essential steps to go from a complete beginner to a confident investor. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint, and you've just taken the most important step, getting started. If you found this video helpful and are ready to take control of your financial future, please hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Finance Now for more simple guides to your money. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me, what's your #1 investing goal for this year? Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to financial freedom starts today.